check, check. We back. Okay, tutorial. Next is power. What's this thing called? Power, 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 power. Craft in place. Wood pat, and we can actually wood name. And here we would use place resources required. And it's just this, and you just need one. Tutorial provider, we will start at step, I guess we can start at step 3. I guess we can actually start right at step 4, just to test it out. Okay, so whatever, I craft one of these. Oh shit, I don't think I rebuilt. Generate power. Craft and place a wood power generator. Now if I was crafting that, wood power generator needs stone ore and clay. Cool. But we're not going to craft it because we're lazy. I'm going to go here and get our wood. Where is it? There it is. Boom. Oh, what's this? Oh, we have some kind of infinite loop. Stack overflow. Amazing. Okay, so we placed it. I wonder if my logic in this is just wrong. I wonder actually if wait, that part worked, right? Yeah, that's not that. Okay, so Toast messages, add. Um, okay, so I think what happened, check progress happened, then it went to next step. Oh, no, I do. State equals null. Check progress. Yeah, it kind of went next step, check progress. Next step, check progress. So we come here. Next step goes like this. State equals null. Interesting. I don't quite understand what happened there. Let's just try again and go here. We go here. Close this. Boom. Place. So we place this and it does this crazy loop. So we place and then it adds the resource. So check progress happens when we, oh. So it calls check progress. Then check progress goes, and then it does next step. State equals this, and then we check progress again. State doing this plus 1. I feel like it's actually completing it. Greater or equal to. Okay, that was the problem, I think. Okay, so tutorial completed. Cool. Okay, our next one will be mining. Oh, I see. No, I see the problem. I see the problem. Ha 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 ha. Okay, we'll put that back out. I did not change this number to 4. This will be 5. Step 5. We'll call this mining. We want to, let's just say, craft and place a light miner. Okay, so we'll have that. Now what I realize is we actually have research levels. Oh, wait, is mining? Yeah, mining. Okay. Let's go with mining first in this list. And in fact, before this, maybe we'll actually do storage. Okay, so where's storage? Storage 1, storage 2. Let's put storage at the top of this list. Okay, so maybe then we'll actually have something before this. This will be 4. Research storage 1. And we can actually storage 1.name. Research storage level 1 and place Okay, so storage, this is going to require you basically to have this. Then we'll call this step 5, step 5, and this will be step 6, but it might also change. Okay, so then storage. Okay. Okay. That's fine. I guess we can also have a list of research level, research levels required. And let's just grab that. Now I'm going to temporarily turn this off just to test this mechanic. So in our tutorial provider, we also need to check that. So I'll just grab this. If state dot research levels required is not empty, we'll do first where or null. And then in our research list provider, set complete research, we would do this, and we want to go ref.read tutorial provider.notifier.check progress. Save everything. And let's go back to our tutorial provider. Let's start actually right at step 5. And don't need that open anymore. So we're just going to test if the, where is this? This one right here. Oh, shit, I'm on the wrong spot. This should be step 4. Okay, so I need to research storage 1. Research. I need lumber and clay. Is this lumber? I have enough lumber, clay. Oops. Find clay. Is this clay? I think so. There we go. Research. Okay, so when this completes, we should move to the next step of the tutorial. There we go. Tutorial completed. Why did it fully complete though? Step 5, 5, 4, 4. Oh, because I didn't put step 5 in here. That would be why. Okay, so that works, and then, but really, in the real world, we also need to place a chest. So we can just get rid of these. No, I liked those. Rebuild. Okay, so I need a whole bunch of clay, a whole bunch of lumber. Can I shift? I should also allow shift clicking. That'd be faster. Okay, so now we can research storage. Let's just see something. Yeah, so I don't even have a chest in here yet, which is good. But we should show up soon. Chest, there it is. So now I need wood, 10 wood. I'll probably change that recipe to actually be lumber. Okay, now we can have a chest. And if we grab our chest and place it, we should complete it. Yeah, now we're on to generate power. Okay, that's cool. And I think Is power something we have to research? I forget. Research levels. I think I didn't. No, you don't need to. Oh, yeah, you do. Power 1. Okay. So then for power, research. And then craft and place for your town. Cool. And then we do research levels required. And let's put step 6 here too. Okay, so you get power. Then mining, crafting, begin automation. So first you have to research level. Oh shit. Dot mining 1 dot name. I should make sure I'm doing that here too. Dot name. Dot name. Do I have any other? Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, so we research mining, and then craft and place a light miner and heavy miner to begin automation. Mining 1. And then we need to place not a power generator, but a mining light miner. We need at least 1, and a heavy miner. We would already have power. Oops, build power. Power generator, solar. Oh yeah, we don't actually have to research power. It's power 2. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. But we have research there, so that says. So this will be craft and build this. Then I'm thinking we also actually have a step here that's called generate power. We'll call this 6. 5, 6. So then this will become 7. 7. 7 here. Okay, so generate power instead isn't going to require that. We're actually going to have a new metric, a new option here, which will be bool, and we'll just make the default false. Power available. Maybe we'll call it power available required. So we want to make sure they also why did this okay, cool. So then in our tutorial provider, we can also go if state dot power available required ref dot read power available provider dot I guess is greater than 0 or is equal to 0. Then we go completed equals false and break. Oh, no break though, because it's not a loop. We don't got a break. Okay, so let's test that. So we will start at step 5, I guess. Am I forgetting anything here? Yeah, I am. Probably. Okay, we don't care about research levels for that. Oh no, we got this. Here, generate power. Oh, I should probably rename this. Wood to your start generating power. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Let us test it out though. What's happening here? Weird. Let's just try one more time. Okay, so we gotta build power. So I'm going to just buy a power plant because I can cheat. Cool. So that completes that. Then for 7 of 8, I need to start generating power, which now I realize we need a way to check that on demand. Let's just see. Let's just get some wood. Now the problem is I need to actually just mine something so that it triggers the thing. There it goes, cool. But how can we trigger that? I guess in our detail. Place resource detail provider. Start power generating. So we'll just do here ref.read tutorial provider. Yay! Notifier.check. And actually, we might as well not check it until we know. Let me just see. Start power. Well, what calls this? That does save game. Yeah, we already kind of have some validation, so that'll work fine. Okay, let's try this again. Build power. Okay, let's try building power. I will cheat, and we will grab this, and we will place it here. So that completes that. Now we're on to generate power, and I will also cheat by getting some wood. Well, let's put those all over there, start generating. Okay, that should have completed it. That's weird. Oh, wait, what's going on with this? This indent, why is this indented? That makes me feel like something went wrong. What the heck? Why is that indented like that? I feel like somehow that didn't, like, save. So we'll just try this again. Let me make sure, let's make sure my logic is correct here. So when we do the check, this is, yeah, power available required. So what is it? Let me just look at my power available provider. Oops, go here. Do not modify by hand. Oh yeah, I know why. It's because it actually happens in the timer. So really we want to check progress only if it gets past here, which is fine. Okay. So let's just get what I need. I need a power generator and I need a bunch of wood. Build power complete. Put some wood in here. Start generating. There. Generate power completed. Cool. Then I get into mining. So basically I need a light miner and a heavy miner. Forget which one's which. I think this is the heavy. Yeah. So heavy would go here. And light miner, I think, can go on clay. Cool. Oh, but I also have to research mining. I also have to research mining, of course. And we have a power surge, because this probably ran out of wood. Yeah. Probably going to make that not happen so quickly. So I actually have to start this again. But the problem is I need to actually research mining, which requires stone, clay, and iron. Stone, iron, clay. Do I have enough? Oops, research. Let's start researching that. In the meantime, let's get some wood going. Buying wood. And we're going to put a whole bunch of wood in here. Start generating. So how fast do these go down? I feel like it's way too fast. 24. Yeah. But it all worked. That's good. Okay, on my power generator, what am I using for this? 5 seconds. Let's make that a constant. Should it be a constant, or should it be part of... we might already have something for this, actually. Power generator, wood, power generated. Yeah, I wonder if we should have a... so we'll have seconds, so let's just make it an int. consumes or fuel, I'll call it that, power, fuel, consumption, seconds. And let's just make a default of like 30. Save that, and then we can just actually use this instead of the 5 seconds on state.sprite.resource.this. Beautiful. So now the power, instead of 5 seconds, every 30 seconds it will consume a resource by default. Okay, kind of want to play through the tutorial soon. So we have mining, then we need smelting, so let's actually just get that figured out. Oh, I don't like how it does that. Step 8, smelting. So we'll have research, smelting 1, and then craft and place smelter. So here it would be place resources smelter, and we also need to have smelting 1 enabled. Then we'll basically copy this. Oh wait, we need to make sure we increment this or we'll have an issue. Okay, and then we'll have step 9. And that's a 10-step tutorial. Construction. I think we have one called, do we have one for construction? I feel like we should. What am I missing here? Farming, power 1, yeah. I guess we don't. We probably should. Let's have after smelting 1, after smelting 2, let's have construction 1. And whatever, I'll play with, I don't really care about the prerequisites right now. We'll balance those at some point. Okay, so let's grab this and put it in all levels. And let's just get these ordered a bit. Storage, mining, smelting, construction, farming, power. Okay, meaning in construction, we would make it require construction 1, and then craft and place resources dot constructor a. Step 8 and step 9. So it has our construction, cool. I feel like that's good. And then let's just go to our resources, because there's some stuff that should not be showing up. For instance, let's go through them one by one. Well, soil 0, soil. Soil is supposed to require farming. Farming 1. I think screw should only show up once we have construct. No, I guess it's smelting 1, because we need that. Lumber, that can be ready right away. Rope, that's fine. We don't have to use rope for anything yet. Barrel, storage 1, that makes sense. Chest, storage 1. All the tools you can do at any point. Soup, that's fine. Tent. Tent, yeah, we want right away because that's like the first thing. Community chest, this is the one I was thinking of. Storage. Maybe storage 2 for the community chest. Smelter A, you need to have smelting 1. Constructor A, yeah, this will require construction 1. Light miner, mining 1, heavy mining. Oh. Let's just unlock both. Okay, well. Yeah, well, storage 2, that makes sense. Okay, I don't care about houses. I'm actually just going to remove houses for now. Okay, power generator, you can do that right away, but unless it makes sense, because, okay, when in the tutorial do you get power? Right here, step 5. So before this, storage. Maybe it requires storage, because you're like actually storing something. Let's do that. This one requires that. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to have 2 errors in here, unless I already took them out. Did not. Okay, let's save everything. And let's just see what your craft menu looks like. So at the start of the game, in theory, oops, double click that. Okay, lumber, rope, pick, axe, shovel, scythe, wooden bucket, soup, tent. Yeah, that seems okay. Let us also just reorder these to something that makes sense. Let's put the tools first. So we get tools, and then after the tools, we'd have, I guess, lumber and rope, soup, and tent. Yeah, I think that order. I wonder what rope could be used for. Oh, I think rope is used in the well, actually. Yeah, a well requires rope. That makes sense. Cool. Okay, this is the fun part now. We're actually going to play this through with step 1. I'm going to keep the debug mode on for I'm going to keep, just in case I soft lock myself, and then I'll fix later. Okay, let's refresh. Let me go to my notes. I want to make a note. Double click for shop. Okay, so I'm in. Oh, I missed one thing. I forgot. My tutorial provider, we start at 0. Now we're at step 1. Hey, let's see if this is fun. Let's see if this is fun. Now that we kind of have a bit of a flow. Alright, here I am. Okay, craft a scythe. Okay, how do I craft a scythe? Let's see. Scythe. Okay, I need wood and iron ore. 1, 2, 3. And I actually just want to write down some other note here. Particle, or like some kind of effect when mining manually. Okay, so we got that. We also need some wood. Luckily, we spawn with an axe. Let's craft our safe. Yay! Okay, build a shelter. So I need to craft a tent. And we'll see we need some more wood and some straw. So let's get the wood. That's easy enough. And here we need to use our new thing, our safe. Yay! Okay. Oh, I need 20 of them. Holy shit. And then we'll craft our tent. We should do something, be cool if in craft menu, clicking on the one should open that in your inventory menu. That'd be kind of cool. So I'd be able to, assuming it's one or more, I could click this and it'll actually like open it in my inventory menu instead of me having to go like this and then this and then this. Okay, so yeah, this seems like a good place for a tent. Okay, cool. Craft a wooden bucket. Wooden bucket, wooden bucket. Okay, so I need lumber and I need ore. Okay, well, oops, interesting. Lumber, okay. Oh, I need wood. Okay, cool. I can get wood. So now I go to my craft menu and I would craft a bunch of wood. And I got 10. So now, I guess I'd have to close that. What are we trying to make again? A wooden bucket. Oops. Misclick. Yay! Wooden bucket completed. Okay, plant some crops. Let's get a farm going so you don't harvest 3 potatoes and 3 carrots to continue. Alright, so I come over here and be like, oh, I need a shovel to dig here. Alright, get my shovel. Oh, look, can't. I don't have a shovel. Oh, no. How do I get a shovel? Well, a shovel takes wood and iron ore. So let's... Oops, that's not what I want. I want my pickaxe. Iron ore. How much do I need? I have enough. Cool. Then we'll grab our axe. Then we'll come over here. Come over here. Whee! So fun. Oh, okay. I think that's enough. So now we go to our shovel and we craft our shovel. Takes 3 seconds. Okay. Wicked. So I got a shovel, which means now if we go to shovel, we're gonna craft some, we're gonna make some stuff here. Okay, now what we need is seeds, but we have them. Let's click here. There. And maybe we can also be smart enough to know that we should get some water. Oh, I'm too tired to mine water. Oh my god. Rest. That's close. I'm also pretty thirsty. Let's deal with that. So we'll just drink some. Actually, I'll just have some soup. That will give me thirst and food. Okay, cool. My stats are fine now. So let's get some water. And we will come over here and we'll actually water these guys. Whee! Okay, there seems to be feel like there's something watering crops animation seem incorrect direction, something like that. Okay, so now I just pretty much have to wait for these to grow. Forget if I click on them. Click on them when I don't have water. Growing potatoes here. Cool. Also realize we can do if already watered. Actually, I do allow it to. No, that's fine. Okay, so we're just waiting because I think I have it set to 2 minutes to grow. That's fine. It's fine. Whee. My energy. Let's have a little nap. I feel like the hunger maybe shouldn't go up that much when you nap. When resting, hunger / thirst shouldn't go up that much. Okay, cool. So now let's grab our, let's grab our scythe, and we basically need to make sure we have some carrots and potatoes. So, okay, we complete that task. But let's also eat some of this because I'm getting hungry. And we'll drink some water too. Cool. Okay, research storage. Okay, I need to research. Time to do some research. So, storage 1. I need lumber and clay. Okay, clay is easy enough. We just need our shovel for that. Two more. And what was the other one? Lumber. So I actually need wood first. Oops. Duh. I need an axe. Cutting it down. Okay. Then what do we need? 15. So go to our crafting table. We're going to make a bunch of lumber, 15 of them. Okay, that should be enough. Now we'll go research, and we'll start researching storage 1. Make cost info pink red. I don't think that has to be pink when you are researching because you've already spent it, but we still want to keep it. I guess when researching or completed, it's only when it's not completed. Okay, cool. So we have that, and then we would go to our storage. And we just need to craft a chest, which we actually need wood. I feel like we should make it lumber required for chest instead of wood. Okay, so let's do that. I need... Whoa! Oh god, what the hell is that? Did I save something? Wow. Oh no. Did the season just change? November. I think that's when I think this had something to do with the seasons. Oh shit. Okay, let me just try saving this game. Hopefully I can. Tutorial 2. I think that had something to do with the season changing while I was mining or something. season change while mining crashed game. Okay, so let's see. Can I at least load? Oh, it might have been because I had farm stuff. Or maybe because of farm. We'll come back to that. Okay, so it is winter now. Ah, it's winter. It's so cold. Did I get my... how much wood do I got? Not enough. Lumber. Oh, wait. I realized the chest is not lumber. Oh, God. I'm gonna need more wood, aren't I? Chest. I need 4 more woods. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. Chest. Let's craft a chest. Okay. So now let's place that chest. Oops. Chest. Chest, where are you? There you are. Place. You can go right by the tent. I think that makes sense. Cool. Build power. Okay, so we need to craft and place a wood power generator to start generating power for your town. Okay. So let's see what that involves. Wood power generator. So I need stone ore 25, clay 40. I am just going to cheat for this because whatever. I know I can get these things. Was this? Wait. I don't even know if that's why I need stone ore, right? So we do actually run into a problem here, but it's nice because we have storage already done. So I can actually, well, first of all, let's just, because I'm running out of space, let's consume a couple carrots. Help with my hunger. And let's just consume this last water. Oh, actually I had more than I thought. And I can actually go into here and be like, I'm going to store these carrots, give me more room. That will give me more room. What do I need again? I'm trying to build a wood, so I need clay. Okay, so I'm just going to mine the clay, and we will just... Which one's clay? This, I think. Got 25. Okay, I almost have enough. I know I'm cheating a little bit, but it's just faster. Crafting this. Okay, so now we place that, and we'll put it maybe right here. Seems like a fine spot. Now we need to generate power, so we need to take wood. And we're going to put that wood in. And we'll start generating. Cool. And we should see in a moment that that has updated. What's going to do? Check here. Generate, start right away. There we go. It's because it took 30. So yeah, that I'll fix that. We needed to actually do the first, instead of starting the loop after 30 seconds, we start it right away and then 30 seconds after. Okay, research mining. Okay, so we need to research mining. Mining. What do we need for that? We need stone ore, iron ore, and clay. That's cool. Okay. I think I got enough things. Yes, I did. So we'll start researching mining. And then we have to do a light miner and a heavy miner. Might be cool also to show active research progress in main UI. Okay, cool. So we've completed mining 1. Yay! We can close that. Then we have to craft a light miner, heavy miner, iron ore, stone ore. They both actually cost the same. That's going to change. Should cost more. Apparently I can craft this, which is good. So we'll craft our light miner. And then we can't craft this because we need some more. Okay, very good. Craft our heavy miner. And let's make sure we still have power. I'm going to put some more wood in there because that's about to go down. Oops, X. Boom, 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 boom. Let's put all of my wood over there. Cool. And then we're going to place our light miner over here. And we're going to place our heavy miner. Oh, look, it's summer again. Thank God. Our heavy miner maybe over here. Oh, look at that. Haha! This is so funny. I forgot to do .name on something. That's so funny. I'm just going to find it in here. Wait, where is it? Tutorial steps. I'm going to fix it but not save because I want to keep playing. So this would be step 10, I guess. No, step 8. Smelting, right? Yeah, smelting. So I forgot to do .name here. And we're going to have the same problem here too. You know what? Let's save our game. Let's call it tutorial 2. Let's save all of our files. Let's refresh. Now, does that get serialized? It might actually. So I might actually still have this weird thing because I think it might be part of the save file. I guess I could just be saving the index instead, but fuck it. So whatever. That's just because it's part of the save file. The next one should be fine. Okay, so what am I doing? Smelting. I need to research smelting. So smelting level 1. Info. Stone ore, iron ore, clay. Okay. I know I'm cheating. But it's okay. I'm allowed to. Okay, so now let's research. Oh, not that one. Where did it go? Smelting 1, right? Okay, research. So we'll start that research and everything is great. And then I'm going to knock out my to-do list after we get through this. I was too tired and passed out. Oh no. I wasn't paying attention to my stats. Okay, let's drink some water. Oops. Consume, consume, consume. Let's go have a nap. What's my energy? Let's have one more nap. Hopefully that doesn't kill me. Okay, I need to eat some food though. And luckily, in my storage container, I have some food. Oops. Yeah, let's just eat that real quick. And let's have a little more water. Get our stats nice and good. Okay, I think our research completed. Yeah, smelting 1. So now I need to actually make a smelter. Smelter 0. So I need iron ore and a bunch of clay. I need more iron ore. Beauty. Now we just gotta place it somewhere. Let's place it maybe here. So oh, okay. Okay, so we now have a smelter. And in theory, we could start smelting things. So, I would just put in whatever. I'm not gonna worry about doing that. I just want to do the tutorial. Okay, construction. So we need to research construction. Let's close that. Where's construction? Oh no! Oh, there it is. Okay, we need stone and we need clay. Oops, research. Okay, so we research that, and then we gotta place and craft a constructor. I just want to make sure I can't do that yet, right? Nope. Let's see it in here. Unlocks constructor. Yeah, now we can build a constructor, but I need iron ore and copper. Ooh. Actually, let's do this one. This one's a little more involved. People might be like, how the heck do I get copper? They don't know. Oh, shit, actually, wait. I don't know if I have fucking copper. I do like the idea of it being... let's actually just make a note about that. Constructor should require iron plates plus something else. Because... oh, I do have copper on the map. This is copper, I think. Which, I just got confused because there's an icon. Okay. So, what do I need? Iron ore, I need 10 more, and I need 9 more copper. Copper, is that copper? What even is that? It's a potato, I think. What is copper? Let's get some iron ore. Oh, there's copper. This is copper. Okay. Can I craft this yet? I can. I feel like these should use, at least it should be like iron plates, because then you have to actually figure out how to smelt. Let's make sure the smelting still works. I haven't done that in a while. So I'm just going to get some iron. And we'll go to our smelter, and we'll put the iron in. And we'll start smelting. Using 100% of the power? What? How's that possible? Oh, because this ran out. Oh my god. I think I need to adjust that more, or like make it so that it doesn't actually use it if the no power is being used. Maybe that's the move. Power generator shouldn't consume if nothing is requesting it. Maybe? I'll think about that. Okay, so let's just get this bunch of wood. Start generating. Yay. And then we'll go back to here and we just have to turn this back on. So let's just make sure. This should be making iron plates. And it's the only way you can make iron plates. You can't handcraft that. Just like the constructor, where we'll probably have, you know, constructor, let's say certain items only craftable by constructors. Just leave that note in there. Okay, so you'll see here, we should see, yep, we got the iron plates, which is cool. Yeah. Um, okay, so let's actually, we kind of just got sidetracked there. Let's place that. And here we have another Stack Overflow issue, probably the same one as before, hopefully. Tutorial steps. Yeah, I called this 7 instead of 9. So that was just a silly typo. But look, construction got completed. It's amazing. And then it would be like tutorial complete, but because of my stupid error, it didn't. So let's just say the tutorial is pretty good. Okay, cool. Let's knock out some of these notes, maybe. In no particular order. Let me just go close others. So way to just, I guess I can go close others. And then, boom. Okay, so let's open up our shop, our store. Store menu. So what we can do here, and I think, okay, purchase. In the debug thing, we can also check. Does add resource let you do multiple? Oh no, it doesn't. Okay, but we can go if ref.read shift, or what is this called again? Modifier dot shift is pressed. We would actually do this 5 times rather. So for int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. We're just going to actually do this. So let's say I wanted an iron, I push it once. If I'm holding shift, it pushes it 6 times. Does it 6 or 5 times, I mean. Cool. That's just a helper for me. Now we could do for regular people, we could actually do like on double tap. Nah, I don't want people to accidentally buy, like, these things are expensive. I don't want people to accidentally buy it. So this is mostly just for debug mode. Okay, let's fix the save game thing. So when I save game, I get this crazy thing. So game menu, probably here. So on save game menu, I think we have to wrap this in a, so we have new save, menu and canceled. Then we have the list view builder. Okay, I think we just can wrap this whole thing in a single child scroll view. Boom. So beautiful. Okay, I'm going to move this. This is a bigger task. I want to just get the low-hanging fruit. Yeah, in craft menu, clicking on 1. So basically clicking on this craft menu and just search for the square bracket string. Is this is this the one in the list? No, this is it. Yeah. Okay. So what we can also do is wrap this in a widget. Let's wrap it in an inkwell. And we can go on tap. So if ref.read, I wonder, you know what? Let's grab this whole guy here and we will make something this in a builder or anything? Where's our final inventory count? Equals that. Then we can just actually put inventory count here. And if inventory count is greater than 0, then we'll actually do something here. Test. We're going to print test, and that's all. Oh yeah. Okay, so now if I tap this, I should see the word. Oh, I see the word test. And then this I don't. Now I don't want that to show the. We actually are going to do this a little bit differently. Inventory count greater than 0. We'll pass in the function. If not, null. That way we don't get the little pointer. So I shouldn't have a pointer here once this finishes. No pointer. But on this one, I can. Okay, so now we have to figure out how to select that one. So first of all, we would do ref.read craft menu provider.notifier.close. Then we go ref.read inventory menu inventory. Isn't it called inventory menu? Yeah. And we go, and I think there's a dot open with, and we pass an index in. So what we need to do is actually get the index. Index equals so let's figure out this in the slow motion way. For final slot in ref dot read inventory list provider. This should be an inventory slot. Cool. So we'll actually let's just do it this way. Index plus plus. So what we can do here is if slot dot resource if slot dot resource does not equal null, and slot dot resource dot identifier is equal to selected resource dot identifier, then that's when we break out of this, because we would have already been incrementing the I, and then we open with that index. Bam! I bet you that'll work. Okay, so let's go to my craft menu, and if I click axe, it brings me to axe. Oh yeah, let's try another one. Pick. Yep, that's super handy. Watering crops animation correct direction. Let's take a look at that. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'll move that down there too. It's kind of related to that one a little bit. Okay, hunger and thirst shouldn't go up that much. Yeah, let's figure out how that works. So we'll set up our contents menu, look for the word consume. What? I guess it would be the inventory menu. Consume. Okay, so inventory provider consume. So here we go. If we can't consume, do not enough to consume. Remove resource, yeah. And then okay, so this is actually set by, oh wait, I'm doing the totally wrong thing. Something to do with rest, which was in here. Okay, so yeah, okay, increase thirst, this should just be like 0.05, 0.075 maybe. We can always tweak that again. Okay, for completing research, when it's already completed, we don't want that to be red. So let's go to our research menu and so search the word color, I guess. Not that color. Oh, here we go. Okay, so has enough. So if it has enough or is researched, which I don't know, or is researching. Is researching. Oh, these are all actually valid things. What? Okay. Let's find out what these point to. Is researched is, yeah, okay, so that one's right. Is researching. Yeah, actually, that's probably right. Let's make sure that's right. So basically, if you have enough, or it's already researched, or you're in the middle of researching it, we use black. Otherwise, we go back to here. So it's red right now. If I was to get enough lumber and clay, lumber. Okay, so that's what I would expect. And then yes, it still says like that, which is what we want. We're not really calling it out like there's a problem. Weird. Now let's just make sure it stays green. And make sure, yeah, these are still red. That's what we want. Cool. And here, they are still gray, even though you don't have enough. We're good. Okay, for chest, yeah, let's just do that. Resources, chest. Okay, so instead of requiring wood, let's actually just require lumber. Anything else a chest would need? Nah. Okay, we'll come back to this one. It's a bigger problem. Power generate, start right away. That's also a little bit more annoying. We'll figure that out. Okay, show active research progress in main UI. That sounds more fun. Let's just close a bunch of things here. Game menu. Okay, where would it go? Probably underneath the maybe it's actually do it as part of the stats widget. Stats GUI. Okay. So how does this work? We have a column, we have this container. I'm going to okay, we're gonna wrap this in a column. We're gonna wrap the whole column in a sized box and give that the width of 180. Get rid of this width, it'll just take up all of it. Then after this whole container, we can go and do something like if, whatever, then we're going to add some other stuff, and it's going to be a sized box, the width or height of 8. Then we kind of want to use something similar to the way the stats work, because I want this to be like sort of separate outside of the stats down here. So maybe then we can just have researching, and then we put in the name of it, which I'll figure out in a minute. But we'll make the style of this text style, colors dot white, font size 12. Then we'd have underneath here a progress bar. But actually, I feel like instead we're just going to do another column. And main axis size. And then we have a progress bar. So, okay, what is this if statement actually? If ref.watch, I don't have access to ref. Oh, what? What do you mean? There's no ref. Oh, my consumer's there. Oh, god damn it. Let's just do a consumer widget then. And this would have to then be widget ref. Whatever. We'll fix that in a minute. Oh, I was too thirsty and passed out. Okay, so ref.watch, research. I think it's part of the research menu provider. Dot is researching does not equal null. Then we basically would use this. And if that's the case, let's actually make we'll just watch it there, and we'll do if researching does not equal null, then we can do researching dot name, and we can have a progress bar here. Now this is where we kind of have to do something similar to our, let's see, research menu. In fact, we might be able to use the same. We have this research progress indicator. Yeah, we can let's just make this, we're going to make this public. I'll still keep it in this file maybe. But basically we would go research progress indicator would be researching dot research how do I get that? Research our menu state. Oh. So actually, let's just call this researching state, and we'll actually go like this. If researching state dot research is researching does not equal null, then we would do basically this. Dot name research started would be research menu researching state dot started dot research started. Oh, I guess, okay. Yeah, we probably also just want to wrap this. Or I guess we do this. And started does not equal null. Okay, so then we have our progress indicator. Let's just remember what this looks like. I think it's just a progress bar. Yep, that's all it is. Okay, cool. And it has a height of 4. That seems fine. Okay, so I want to wrap this whole thing in a container and wrap this whole thing in padding. We'll just keep it the same as this. So this is a padding of 8, and we want this color. Okay. You were too thirsty. Okay, so let's start researching something. Info, lumber and clay. I can shift click these now. Yes. And then I realized I wanted a little bit of space above this just to make it look cooler. Like 6. Let's see if that works. Researching storage on. Now, why is there? Oh, because I have this here. I also don't want that. Cool. That's just a nice to have to know how your research is going. Our players will love it. What do I need again? Lumber and clay. Let's buy some for free. Oh, fuck off. Research. Also going to make a note for menu shortcut keys. That'll just be for desktop. Let's keep it there. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. I'm getting this here. Researching storage 1, and then it should disappear right after. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Heavy miner should cost more. Sure. Resources. Heavy miner. So instead, let's make it like 25. Let's just do 20 and 20. That's fine. Constructor. Yeah, I wanted to use iron plates so that you actually had to do some things first. 20. Copper on its own, that's fine. 10. Just make this a copper. I'll put this down with this. This is like a future thing to think about. And same with this. Okay, let's save everything. I feel like we did a lot. I think we're good to commit. Well, we finished tutorial steps and then a bunch of quality of life. All right, I think that's where I'm going to leave it for today. Got a lot done today. It's coming together. Thanks for hanging and all that stuff. See ya.